little magic makes music extra sweet.
Protect you from all